What's up guys, Jeremy here with shinesupply. I want to introduce our new product, Cruise Matte Interior Detailer. So we're wiping down the interior on this GMC 2500. Check out this door panel right here. We got a lot of fingerprints, smudges, surface looks really uneven. And then if you look at this back panel right here that I've already come through and wiped down, it's a really nice, even finish. It's got that like new look. That is exactly what Cruise is for. So if you have an interior that you do not like to have it look dressed, like any kind of gloss or shiny finish, that's what you're gonna wanna use Cruise for. That is why we're calling it a matte interior detailer. It leaves this matte, satin, perfectly even finish on your door panels, dash, console, even your leather seats. What's really cool is that it's actually conditioning the surface like a dressing would. So you can imagine Cruise being a dressing, but it's leaving a matte finish rather than gloss. Another cool thing about Cruise is if you look at this chrome handle right here, I've wiped that with Cruise. Literally leaves no streaks on all your glossy surfaces inside the vehicle. So like door handles, laminated wood pieces, your navigation screen, your instrument panel, all those surfaces, Cruise is not gonna leave streaks on it. So you can come right through, wipe the door panel and move right into those glossy surfaces and know you're gonna have a nice even finish. So another thing that Cruise is leaving behind is a very, very significant UV protection. So especially when you're wiping your dash with it, door panels that are getting some sun exposure, you're gonna know that you're leaving behind some protection against the UV rays. It also has a light cleaning ability for fabric. So you don't have to go and grab a different product. You can literally stick with Cruise and wipe right over your cloth and fabric surfaces inside the vehicle. All right, so let's give you guys a demonstration of how well Cruise cleans screens. So we got this iPad Pro, look at all the fingerprints. You're gonna see it's gonna remove them and leave zero residue behind. Let's do like 2 spritzes. So without even flipping the towel, look how it leaves zero residue. I mean, there is the faintest little amount that I could give it one more wipe on the other side of the towel, but that's incredible. And then it's also gonna help with future fingerprints. Look at this, because again, it's leaving a light, transparent film behind. That's that layer of protection and conditioning aspects. Look at that, doesn't even want a fingerprint. Very, very lightly.